In today's security landscape, CISOs are expected to deliver clarity, control, and measurable outcomes, often with limited time and an expanding set of requirements. Aberrant was built to solve that. It's a developer-first, AI-assisted CISO productivity platform created by security leaders who've lived these challenges firsthand. Aberrant simplifies program management and becomes the authoritative system of record for your entire security and privacy function. It all starts with visibility. Aberrant makes it easy to map controls to documentation and evidence, giving you a clear, defensible view of your security posture. You can bring standards into the platform in 3 ways. By importing a pre-linked package from your MSP, including documentation and automation, adding a standard directly from Aberrant's extensive built-in catalog, or uploading your own standard if you're working with custom controls or a tailored framework. From there, managing controls is straightforward. Add, remove, or edit controls individually or perform bulk updates using refined filters. You can also layer on security maturity and assessment objectives, ensuring your controls align with your strategic goals. Aberrant also includes a robust document editor with immutable versioning. Policies, procedures, and asset documentation all become part of a single, authoritative source of truth. Every document maintains its full audit history, supports approvals, and can be exported to PDF. The end result is a clean, consistent record that connects directly to your controls and actions. For organizations operating under CMMC 2.0, Aberrant provides direct, explicit support. Generate SSPs, track your SPRS scores, manage POA&Ms, build documentation with AI, and maintain DFARS alignment without leaving your security workflow. Everything is integrated, and everything is traceable. Traceability is one of Aberrant's most powerful advantages. Built on a flexible graph, the platform lets you move seamlessly from controls, documentation, tasks, and evidence. You can drill down to see every supporting detail or zoom back out to understand broader relationships. And if you start from a single piece of evidence, you can trace upward to see exactly what it supports. This level of transparency reduces audit friction and accelerates decision-making. Track findings, non-conformities, and opportunities for improvement in one place, and maintain a complete audit history for future reference. With actions, operational security becomes easier to manage. You can create event-based or recurring tasks directly from documentation, ensuring every requirement translates into real trackable work. Teams gain full visibility into what needs attention, what's on schedule, and what requires escalation. Aberrant's real-time compliance engine supports developer-first automation across any environment. Through agents, you can interact with legacy systems, proprietary tools, and modern SaaS products using CLI, SDKs, webhooks, or SOAP and REST APIs. If your environment uses it, Aberrant can connect to it and automate it. Collaboration with vendors and MSPs is built into the platform. You can delegate work, share context, and maintain oversight without losing control. And when it comes to measuring program health, Aberrant's risk and maturity capabilities are data-driven. Score risk consistently, track inherent and residual exposure over time, and see exactly how your controls, documentation, and tasks influence your posture. Maturity assessments align with leading frameworks, giving you a defensible, measurable picture of progress. Aberrant integrates seamlessly with your existing stack without upsells or usage limits. It's a purpose-built platform designed to remove complexity and help security leaders run smarter, more efficient programs. Aberrant, your system of record for security and privacy.